Hi, this is Lou from YAstrength, and in this video, I'm going to discuss 5 frequently asked questions about intermittent fasting. Can I work out while fasting? Yes, you can definitely work out while in a fasted state, and fasted workouts also have assisted with increased fat burning and weight loss. There are also people that recommend taking BCAAs or branched chain amino acids before a fasted workout because they realize or they understand that BCAAs help with reducing the amount of waste when it comes to muscle. So it helps with preventing muscle breakdown, and it also helps with reducing muscle fatigue. And of course, during a fast, you might be at a risk of losing some muscle. So taking BCAAs can help reduce that. But here's the thing, taking BCAAs actually breaks a fast. So if you take it right before you do your fasted workout, you will no longer be in a fasted state because you just consumed something that spiked your insulin. So technically, you will not be fasting or in a fasted state if you do a workout and have taken the BCAA right before that workout. BCAAs are typically not that much in calories, so it shouldn't really kick you out of any main fasting benefits that you're receiving at the time, especially if you're going to crush a workout right afterwards. Can I drink liquids during a fast? Drinking liquids are important, especially water. And yes, you can drink water, plus you can also drink coffee or tea during a fast and be okay. Those liquids do not spike your insulin and will not kick you out of your fast. So please note, do not add sugar to your coffee or tea. And some people say that, hey, small amounts of creamer could be okay while you're on a fast, but for the sake of keeping it simple for my viewers, don't add creamer or sugar to your coffee. Keep it simple, just don't add anything to it. Drink your coffee black, drink your tea plain, and of course drink your water like it's water. And of course drink your water like water. And if you are a coffee drinker, I definitely recommend you drink coffee, black, plain coffee, during a fast because coffee is known to reduce the feeling of hunger or your desire to eat food for a certain period of time. And that, of course, can be useful during a fast depending on when your fasting window is, because you don't want to be drinking coffee at, 8 p.m., So depending on when your fasting window is, if it's a typical 16-8 and you're skipping breakfast, then have your coffee in the morning without anything, and you should be okay. Isn't skipping breakfast bad? It is perfectly fine to skip breakfast. Just be sure to eat healthy food for the remainder of the day or when you finally reach your feeding window. Now, I talked about this in my intermittent fasting myths video, and I'll be sure to post a link to that video in the description box below. And I noted how it was important to understand that most people can skip breakfast and have no negative side effects. And this is because breakfast or eating food first thing in the morning when you wake up is not essential to your health. So you can skip breakfast and be okay. Skipping breakfast is not bad. Can I take supplements while fasting? In most cases, yes. More specifically, calorie-free minerals and vitamin supplements are the best options when it comes to taking a supplement. Stay away from supplements that include various additives such as sugar or artificial flavors. However, keep in mind that many supplements do not sit well on an empty stomach. In some cases, it is recommended to take a supplement on a full stomach or after a meal. So be sure to keep an eye on that when you're considering whether or not to take a supplement, and try to balance out when you decide to take that supplement. Preferably take it within your feeding window, but again, it's okay to take it certain ones during your fasting window. Will fasting cause muscle loss? Alright, so I saved this one for last because this is probably one of the most common questions that people have when it comes to intermittent fasting, especially those that are into working out or lifting weights. They are concerned about losing muscle if they decide to try out or begin practicing intermittent fasting. And unfortunately, there's this big, dark, negative cloud over intermittent fasting and how it really causes you to lose muscle if you do decide to begin fasting. Here's the thing. Yes, intermittent fasting can cause muscle loss. But the truth is, all weight loss methods can cause muscle loss. So it's not just intermittent fasting. All weight loss methods can cause you to lose muscle. That goes for any restricted diet of choice. So keto, low carbs, if you try to go on a juicing diet, if you decide to eat veggies for 1 week and just try to focus on eating plant-based diet, all that stuff can cause you to lose muscle. This is because you have to be in a calorie surplus to build muscle. And we all know that when you're trying to lose weight, you will need to be in a calorie deficit. It's all about calories in versus calories out, coupled with adequate protein intake. So yes, intermittent fasting can cause muscle loss. That's because all weight loss methods can cause muscle loss. But get this, there was a study published on PubMed.org, and they found that intermittent fasting, although it causes you to lose muscle like every other weight loss form or weight loss method out there or diet out there, they found that intermittent fasting specifically causes less muscle loss than a typical calorie restricted diet, such as low carbs or juicing or something. So take that as a positive. So when it comes to muscle loss, yeah, fasting can cause you to lose muscle, but not as much muscle in most cases based on this study, and I'll post it in the link below, compared to other weight loss methods. So bottom line, can intermittent fasting cause you to lose muscle? Yes, but not nearly as much, or not as much as other calorie restricted diets out there. So that's it. We've reached the end of this video. Be sure to comment below. Let me know if you have any specific questions about intermittent fasting I could potentially answer for you. And as always, thank you for watching. This is Luke from YAstrength. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you in the next video.